Okay, so this is the issue I have with my Toyota Landcruiser. The other day, I was trying to start the vehicle as usually, was working fine, and then the key stuck in the lock position. So you can see now it is on accessory. So I use my WD-40 snap and lock and knack and stash, you name it. I did everything and shake it until I was able to start it. Uh, After I start it, I only leave it on accessory. I don't turn it off. I go ahead and buy this. Okay, so I buy a new lock or a new ignition starter, ignition, whatever you call it, and I'm about to put it on. So I think they call this whatever. So my only concern is the key might not be able to open the door, but it should start the vehicle. So I'm going to keep that key in case they don't open the door. But the problem with this crazy lock will be solved today. So I'm gonna go and start the process. Unscrew those, the, you know put this down, remove this, and then you know install this. The only way for this to come out, it has to be on accessory, and that's why they send this. You see the key already inside is on accessory. If it's not, it's on the lock position or start or on, it will not come out. This will not come out. So I'm gonna go ahead, because this already on accessory, open this and pull it out, pull this in, and well, hopefully everything should be fine, and my vehicle should be functioning properly. This is a 1997 Toyota Landcruiser 40th anniversary, and it's a lifted 4x4. Let me give you a sneak peek. This is it. This is the 1997 Toyota Landcruiser. It needs a little more cosmetic inside, but so far everything's working perfectly. All right, let me go ahead and start this process. Okay, so this is it. Okay, I was able to do it, like I said. Okay. So this has to be on accessory, and you see this pen. Once you put it in, the pen, this little pen, okay, has a little hole over there. So I use this small little screwdriver and punch it in and put it out. It's easy, like 1, 2, 3. So this is the new one. Okay, I'm going to slide it in there. Okay, slide it in there. The same way the other one comes out. Just slide it in there. Okay. Now, slide it in there. Okay, that's all it takes. So now, I slide it in there. Before I put everything back together, I'm going to try it out. Okay, see, that was my problem. Whenever I turn my key on lock, it will not Turn back on. Okay, so now this one is working. So hopefully, let me go and plug. I forgot to tell you I unplugged one of the battery terminals. Okay, I unplugged one of the battery terminals. It's not a lot of stuff. It's something you can do yourself. Just unscrew the bottom, and this top is snapping. There's nothing big deal. Just snap them out. This is a little cover. Let's go to the ignition. You just pull it out and it comes right out. And then see this little light switch has a little screw on the bottom, and you unscrew it. And you pull the other one out. You put this one in. Hopefully this solves the problem. Well, I think that was the problem. And I saw the people send this to be rebuilt. I'll see if I can do that. People send this to, I don't know, some blacksmith and rebuild it. I'll see if I can do that. I will have this as a backup or reserve in case this go out. But I'll see. All right, that's all. I mean, thank you for watching. And it was not a big deal. It's hard to film everything and do everything at the same time. But I cut this video piece by piece. Hopefully, you understand the process. And you see the way I pull this in is the same way I pull it out. The only difference is now to pull this out. You have to pin it. You screw over there, press it, and it come right out. You press this, with the other hand you pull this, and this will come out the same way the other one come out. All right, I'll leave it on accessory, and I'm going to screw everything and start your vehicle. I'll let you know how is everything going. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I plugged the battery back. I put all the panels back together, and this is the moment of truth. Let's see what happened. There we go. Start right up. Because I disconnect the battery, I think the computer has to relearn the idle of the computer has to relearn the idle of the Landcruiser. So there's a few tricks, but you should learn it by itself. I'm gonna wait and see what's gonna happen. But it will learn the idle by itself. It's because I disconnect the battery. So everything is perfect. I'm gonna check to see if the key opened the door. Probably not, but I'm going to keep this key. All right, thanks for watching. I mean, if you need more video of those little tricks, and send me a comment. Let me know. I can put a little basic stuff so you can do yourself. You don't have to take your vehicle to the mechanic. The other day my front driver shaft snapped while I was driving on the highway. Thank God nothing happened to me, nothing happened to the vehicle, nothing major happened to the vehicle. Slow down, pull over, call a tow truck. I take it straight to the mechanic. This is something for the mechanic. I can do it, but the time is gonna take me to lay down under these other parts and school and everything like that, and I'm working and running a small business at the same time. No time. But this basic stuff that take me less than 5 minutes, I'll do this. I don't need a mechanic to charge me $100 or $200 for this. And there's basic stuff you should be able to do in your truck. You do not need a mechanic to help you out. I ordered this part. I know what was the problem. Watch a couple of YouTube videos, and that's it. You do it yourself. The same way I did it myself. And I put the video out, same way also some other people help me out, and you can learn something from this. Okay, that was pretty fast. This I bought this for $67, and it come pretty fast. 2 days it was there from part gig, 2 days. This is the receipt, and they charged me something $9 or $10 for delivery, something like that. Come out altogether $82, so something like this, $82. Let me see that. Let me check the price. Make sure I don't lie to you. But this is an aftermarket parts. These are choice if you want to go to Toyota dealership and get this. I don't feel like it was necessary. Okay. Alright. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'm checking this thing and I don't see the receipt on it. But, it's not a receipt. It's whatever package and slips or whatever it is. Alright. Take care.